Today I want to share with you how to build 10K a month tools website. Now right now I'm inside SEMrush dashboard. SEMrush lets you find keyword research, keywords which are ranking at the top. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply enter calculators. Okay, now watch this, right? How many people are searching? See, calculators. Now I'm just gonna select the country US, and you can also input your domain right here. So let me just leave it like that and click search. Now once it finds the data, what you want to do is you want to make the keyword difficulty to very low. Okay, we want to have the easy ones. Now I can filter it easily and apply it. Now once you do that, you will get a low keyword difficulty volume keywords. Alright, now we can see right here, OSPOD calculator, auto payoff calculator. Okay, so I can go on KD calculator, land payment calculator, PP calculator, share incentive plan calculator. Let me just go down a little bit and find anything interesting. So alright, so I'm just gonna use one of this auto payoff calculator. Okay, so if I click on it, it's gonna take me to keyword overview, which will get a lot of information further right here. As we can see, we have got this. Now first thing what you want to do is go to the SERP analysis and look at the first 1 to 10 websites which are ranking at the top. We have bankrate.com. Now I can go here and see why is it ranking at the top. We have a good information right here. And where is the calculator? I just want to see. Okay, we have got this calculator, right? One second. Now the simple thing what you want to do is take this, copy this. Okay, let me just copy this. I can screenshot. So the next thing what you want to do is go to the ChatGPT and paste the screenshot right here. So once you've pasted the screenshot right here, ask it to build the calculator in and give me the code. Give me the code in custom HTML to paste in my WordPress blog. That's it. This is all you want to do. You can use any AI tools. You can also use any developer tools for this automation, custom websites builder. Now it has generated a code. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my WordPress account. Right now I'm inside my WordPress and I have added a new blog post. Now it has done generating code. Now I come here, simply type in custom HTML and paste the code. Click on preview and save the draft and take it to the preview site. So let me just show you how it looks like. So alright, we have got the nice little calculator right here. Now all the thing what you want to do is they have written some kind of blog. You can use ChatGPT to replicate this article, or you can also use any other AI SEO writers, or you can also write it by yourself. So this is how you generate a 10K a month blog website using the SEMrush keyword research tool and also ChatGPT or any other AI software creator, tools creator.